Good morning, traders. So EURUSD is following the order flow at the moment. So you can see there's a demand chain like this, and it's just respecting, and we should just squeeze up into this supply. Overall, we're heading for the highs over here from the summer. And yeah, so we tapped into here yesterday into the demand zone, and if we go to the 15-minute, you will see the entry model here where price came in. See liquidation of the demand. This is the demand that gets liquidated, and then price comes, entry on the minor break, and off you go. We have another liquidation as well, and yeah, the entry was at the evening last night, so I actually missed it and was hoping to try and get tagged back in this morning since the price has been ranging around here. And just at this entry, if I just get rid of this for a second, you can see that we did leave this demand. So since we're creating all this liquidity under here, for me it was likely that price may just tap into this demand and then move away, since we haven't really impulsively moved away since this break. We've just been ranging in this area. However, you can just see we just missed out, and yeah, price is continuing up. So unfortunately I haven't been tagged into this. I might just keep my limit open until we take out this high over here, since this is part of that leg down. Everything that happens in here is a bit irrelevant. So as long as we can try and get a tag in until we reach here, which would probably be where I would have moved the trade to break even, yeah, I think, can hopefully try to get an entry. Otherwise it's fine if we miss it. But yeah, you have a good risk reward and everything looked like a clean setup, and yeah, we'll just have to see what happens. Let's take a look on GU. So I said the same thing yesterday, that we're having that demand chain, although it's a bit messier on GU for sure. You could see the same thing happening. Let's just see. So you had the minor break over here, and we didn't have liquidation of demand yet. There's no demand in this move. Price ends up coming down. So yeah, I was basically waiting for a cleaner liquidation of demand. You could potentially mark some of these or even this candle as the demand, but yeah, ultimately, even if, let's say, we're after this, you have the minor break here. And this trade was too early in the morning, and then the position I was looking at was minor break over here after this liquidation. But once again, kind of missed it, and it also wasn't the most convincing, just because of how extremely rangy, especially from the 4-hour, how messy it looks in here. But looking at it now, like, yeah, definitely would have been a valid entry. It's just this morning my focus was on EU instead, because I thought it looked like a cleaner setup. So yeah, let me know if you did take a long already on EU or GU, but hopefully I'm trying to get in today on this move as well. So let's see if that happens. We do have red folder news. We had some this morning, so that's why I was kind of taking it easy, not trying to rush into GU because we had that news upcoming. But not Euro, the USD, you know, you have red folder news coming up later as well. So keep that in mind. I will obviously remove my limit closer to that time if we're not tagged in already. So yeah, let's see what happens, and I'll see you guys